So in this video, I'm continuing my journey of trying to overlay a video or an image, a circle, kind of like what we're doing right now with the loom, and a play button in the middle of a GIF. And I'm pretty close to getting it. Now I've been locked out or kicked out of GPT, and so I've had to resort to Bing. Now in order for me to use Bing, I had to use my personal email account, and so I tried to put in the code into Bing and ask it to help me, but it kind of gave me a bunch of random stuff. It wasn't necessarily working. But by the way, if you're looking at this video, you have no idea what I'm talking about, you'll have to go back and look at the previous video. So check up then the link in the description for reference to the previous videos. However, it seems like so I recognize one of the mistakes that I made. One of the mistakes that I made was I took the Node.js code and just copied it over into and then asked the ChatGPT to rewrite it. However, that code inherently had a mistake because it was trying to overcompensate for a problem that we were experiencing in Node. So when I brought it over to the ChatGPT and asked it to rewrite it in Python, it tried to recreate the same thing, and that caused a problem. So once I figured that out, I realized, you know what, I need to restart the entire prompt from the ground up, except I just need to tell it, can you write it in Python? So what I did is I went all the way back up to the top of the prompt. I don't know where the prompt is now. And I basically just asked it, hey, write a Python. Originally, the only thing I changed was Node because we had Node there. So I asked it to write a Python code. And so it did this version here. However, I got some kind of error because I noticed that for some reason, on Bing, it didn't import all of the statements. So I manually imported a few of them. And then I asked it, it said this was missing. So I asked it to import it and did. And then I got this error. And so it told me to what line to replace. So with that, we are getting closer. We're getting closer. So it did actually create the image. However, it's on the wrong side. It's not a full circle, and it has this black, right? This black thing around it. So I need to get rid of that. And I'm not certain how to do that, but that's why we have artificial intelligence. Now I'm going to hit my cap on this. I'm going to hit my cap on Bing, but let's try it. So the alpha needs to be transparent. So can we say the play button and Dwayne. So I'm asking it to rewrite the code to compensate for the fact that there's a black background on the image and the thing, and also we'll fix the resizing problem, but let's see. So okay, so this looks like a little more completed code. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're getting there. So with Bing, you have to actually come up here and click on copy. And I don't like it because it actually copies this stuff here. Look and see. You'll see. So I'll get rid of that. I'll paste it, and yeah, see? It copies the... Makes no sense. Like you just want the code, right? It's copying the formatting. The text outside of it. So let's delete this just to make sure it's actually doing the right thing. Error. I prefer the ChatGPT interface, by the way, because you see what happens. It does that, and then it asks me. Sometimes I press enter and it doesn't actually go through properly. It is not as okay. So I don't even know what this line is doing. So I'm looking for this line here. And you want me to replace it with this line. What does this line do? Do you want me to replace both of them or just one of them? I don't know. Let's do this first. I don't know if I have to. Oh, actually, there is a multiply here, so. I'm actually not certain. I would say that's the first line. I would say that's just this line. Okay, so let's try reposing both lines. I'm literally just guessing here. No. Just ask it to rewrite the whole thing because it's not very clear where I need to put that code, and I'm not even trying to figure it out. I just want to get this thing working. After all, we are copy and paste coders here. This is the goal of this, I wouldn't say this channel, but this is definitely the goal of this exercise. Now, I don't even know how many videos we're in now, but let's see how far we can get. 3 a.m. I got 1 more hour before ChatGPT gives me access again. So in the meantime, we will keep hacking away at Bing. And I guess that's the way to do it. We're just going to just keep jumping between AI models. Hopefully Google could get their act together and we could go between all three. Remember, our goal here is to be efficient, people. Yeah, so what are we doing again? Right. Ugh. Okay, I don't even know what this means anymore. button as alpha. Where's the play button? This one? Maybe the other button has alpha? Right? Oh wait, I actually no, I did that wrong. I'm confused. I am confused, but just guess it right now. Okay, let's put that back. Is there some base else I'm supposed to be looking for alpha? I have no idea what this code is doing. None. I might as well just be a junior developer because I'm not an image manipulation guy. So play button array. Okay, I guess this is a different error. We just did this. You're telling me to do the same thing. Oh. We're so close, guys. We're so close. I mean, it's technically a win. You keep telling me the same thing. Now we're going around circles. Yeah. We're going around circles. Okay, we're gonna have to kill this as where it's at right now. Hopefully I'll figure this out in another video at some point. Almost there. So close. So close. So you know what? We should get it. Let's get it back to where it was, because we don't want this crap code. This is what this was working. No, actually, so this was working. gotta come back, go down and collect these top pieces here, because that could originally give us the wrong thing. Wait, what? Hang on a second. Now I don't remember which one was working. What is the error? Yeah, so then I just need to do this. Okay, I'm going around in circles here, so I'm going to have to stop this video. It's just making too long for no reason at all. Okay. Yeah, we're going around in circles. We're going around in circles. I'll figure this out and I'll come back to this.